A girl loving food on Chincoteague was invited by Captain John Smith of JS Expedition to join him and a few of my friends on a boat cruise. So we sailed out of Curtis Merritt Marina, and of course this is one of my favorite sites leaving Curtis Merritt Marina. This memorial to the Coast Guard ship that sunk back in 1983 is just a beautiful sight to always see. We got to see a juvenile bald eagle. The ponies were kind of hiding from us, but this juvenile bald eagle was quite a sight. He was kind of hard for me to see, but once I did see him, the pictures right now are a combination of mine and Wesley Finneyfrock. So there's the bald eagle nest. So we got to see some ospreys. He was kind of cool. There were several different ospreys. This one was in his nest. He's really awesome. The glossy ibises were great. I'm a birder now. I never knew I was a birder, but the snowy egrets and the cranes were out in full force like always, and they're just so beautiful to watch. My favorite, the Chincoteague Lighthouse. I am a huge fan of this lighthouse. I probably have 1,000 pictures of myself, but Wesley and I both took several pictures of the lighthouse. So we got to go up the little river channel there by the lighthouse, take some pictures. These are remains from some of the houses that used to be on Assateague, so I found that to be very interesting. Never saw them before. The deserted hunter cabins, they have a great story behind them. This is CLG's Rider of the Storm. He was giving us quite the little show, just eating. He was there by himself. He is still a bachelor. He hasn't found any mares yet, but he was really kind of cool, scratching himself and just entertaining us just by being him. And he is very handsome. His coloring is amazing. That black mane of his, oh my gosh. Definitely a huge fan of Ryder now. But yeah, he was beautiful. His eye, I love to get their eyes. That's my personal thing. But he was quite entertaining. So he's probably the closest we got to any of the ponies. They just were not out yesterday. And another osprey. Captain John took us all around. Not sure who this is, but it has a baby with it. Another one of, this is the abandoned house in Maryland, on the Maryland side. We went all the way up to the Maryland side. We were on a sunset tour, and if you follow me at all, you know all of these sunsets. Old Glory flying off of the back of Captain John's boat. But yeah, the sunset was spectacular, just so beautiful. Another one of the cabins. I find them to be very fascinating. Some of them are inhabited, some of them are deserted. But the sunset over that one was just spectacular. Again, a gorgeous sunset on Chincoteague. Coming back into the channel, the CC Rider there by Chincoteague, and the other fishing boat, and of course our own causeway. Thanks, Captain John. Have a great day.